Hey friends, today I'm going to be reviewing the navycrest Dashcam. This is an awesome 4K dashcam that I'm really excited to go ahead and unbox, show you, and go ahead and set up. I'm really excited to have this on my car. It's got a lot of awesome features, but let's go ahead and start getting it unboxed and opening this up. So obviously it comes really neatly packaged. It's got some nice, sweet packaging on here to keep the box clean. So we'll tear that off so you can actually see the box itself. Really awesome box, but let's go ahead and get right into the contents of this dash cam. So as you can see, it slides out right there. This is the box, so we'll set that aside, but take a look at this. Gives you some tips before use so you know how to get into it, how to search for the Wi-Fi of the dash cam, and a few general tips about how to use it. So now let's go ahead and get this box opened up and we can actually look inside to see what the dash cam looks like. So as you can see, there we are. We're in. Here is the dash cam's manual. It's really nice, really big, got a lot of pictures in it, very colorful. So I'm excited about that, to read that, give it a read, and set up the dash cam. But we'll set that aside. We'll go ahead and set aside the warranty, everything we need, the important information. And let's go ahead and take a look at the actual dash cam. So as you can see, essentially this right here is how you're going to mount the dash cam, but we'll take a look at that later. Just going to set it aside on that box right now. Now, let's go ahead and get into the actual product and the actual things, the cool part of the product, which is going to be really exciting. Let's open this box and give it a look. So as you can see, we're just opening this box right here. Gonna let that all out, set the box aside. And now as you can see, we've got all the mounting stuff that we're going to need. We've got these right here, which are also gonna help with mounting. Set that aside on that box. Set this aside as well. Now, as you can see, here is the plug. It's got the cable, so you can plug it into your car and actually use your dash cam. It's really awesome. So let's go ahead and open this up and take a look at the actual cable. So, as you can see right here, we've got this to plug into your car, obviously. We've got a USB thing here, so you can plug your USB in and use it as normal. And then we've got the USB-C cable right here. Super awesome, but now let's get into the actual dash cam itself, which is probably the most exciting part of this. As you can see right here, it is a 4K, it has Wi-Fi control, it has a GPS logger, and it even has a G sensor. It's super fully featured, which is why I'm so excited to use it. The box obviously comes with the A2 dash cam, a USB car charger, car wiring tools, cable clips, electrostatic films, and a 1-year limited warranty. All super awesome, but let's go ahead and take a look at the dash cam itself. So just opening up this package right here, we're gonna go ahead and pull out the dash cam itself, set these aside, and go ahead and look at the actual dash cam right there. Now, this is gonna be really exciting, so let's go ahead and get this packaging off and take a look at the dash cam, which we have. And look at that. That is the dash cam you're going to be hooking up to your car. It's super exciting. I mean, it looks really nice. It's very clean. It's got some tips on the background. It's got the mount right there, and it's got everything you need. It's got a ton of storage room. You can go ahead and put your card right in there, and you can store pretty much everything you need on there. It's got a film over the lens, which I will be taking off. A nice little red tab indicates that. And yeah, this is going to be the dash cam for your vehicle. As you can see, it's got the power button right over here. Super sweet. It's got some control buttons right up on top there, which is super exciting. And then beyond that, we can just plug it in and get to work. Looks really fun to use. So I'm going to go ahead and test it out on my vehicle, plug it in, and give it a shot, because I'm excited to see how this dash cam works and go ahead and actually put it to use. This is really going to be helpful to my vehicle, so if I ever need, to review that footage, or if something ever happens and I get in a crash or an accident, we have that footage, because it also does have a footage lock when you get into an accident. So that is really, really helpful to any person who's driving a lot. But that's going to be it for this video. There's the dash cam, and thanks for watching this unboxing.